15, key concept 15, we'll talk about work, okay? So work, as we discussed before, it is force multiplied by distance. So we need to make sure that we have force applied on the object that we have, and we need to make sure that distance is being covered. So which situation involves no work being done? So no work being done, we have a possibility of two, either zero distance or zero force, okay? And no energy being transferred. So a car is skidding to stop on a road, so there is movement in order to stop the car. So it's not it has work. A crane lifting a load. Again, we are changing position, so we have work. A heavy load hanging from a strong bar. So this is it. So if you have a bar here and you are putting a mass, so as you can see here, the mass is not moving and only the weight gravity is applied. So this has the work equal to zero. Three situations are listed. Someone blowing air into a party balloon, a crane lifting a block of concrete, a pile of books at rest on a shelf. In which situation is work being done? So we need to choose a situation where we have force, we have distance. So we have force being applied in the balloon. Again, we have a crane lifting a box, we have force and distance as well, but a pile of books resting, this situation has zero work, so we will choose 1 and 2. Sorry, 1 and 2. Okay, so now we need to recall a force of 25 Newton acts on an object. So we have force equal 25. The work done is 400 joules, so work equal 400. How far does the object move? So they need distance. We need to calculate distance. So using the formula force multiplied by distance, we have 400 equal 25 multiplied by distance, then distance equal 400 divided by 25. So I believe the answer, let me check. Divided by 25, the answer is 16 meter. The answer is 16 meter. Okay. For question number 7, a force acts on an object and causes the object to move a certain distance in the same direction. Which row represents the largest amount of work? So again, the largest amount of work, you need to calculate F multiplied by distance, 2 multiplied by 40, which is 80 joules. The second one, 10 multiplied by 2 is 20 joules. The third one, 20 multiplied by 6 is 120 joules. And the last 100 multiplied by 1, it's 100 joules. So the largest work being done is belongs to answer C. And that's it for key concept 15. Thank you. You see, it was very short.